Welcome back, everyone. I'm Red02, and I single-handedly put the stop to a motorsports event, and I'm proud of it. The Top Tractor Challenge is no longer a thing, and it's all because of me. So come join me, help me put the nail in the coffin, and let's do some reminiscing on the past years and the progression of the event. Sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Oh my goodness, that hurts. I grabbed him.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Red02, your host for this year's Top Tractor Challenge video series. Not only do we have bigger and better obstacles, we have the top 8 competitors from all over the country came here to Palmatuning, Pennsylvania to compete for over $1,000 sponsored in from some of the best sponsors that we got this year. And I hope you sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
All right, everybody. Thank you for coming out for the 5th annual Top Tractor Challenge.
2023, we've had a glorious amount of support this year, along with help getting the courses set up, materials for the courses, and sponsors. You guys are competing for over $1,000 worth of prizes and cash today. Woo! Super crazy support.
I don't know.
Welcome everyone, I'm Red02, your host for the Top Tractor Challenge series, self-proclaimed world's largest off-road riding lawnmower competition. Each year we've gotten bigger and better with more and more support, and that stands true for 2024. We got bigger sponsorships, more prizes, crazier machines, and even crazier competitors. Most excitedly, we're at a massive new location. Welcome to Canvas, West Virginia, home of the Good Evening Ranch. This 400-acre off-road paradise is the new home of the Top Tractor Challenge. Creepy Crawler and I have teamed up this year, and without further ado, sit back and relax, and we present to you King of the Ranch. Some of you may live, and some of you may die, but that's a price I'm willing to pay.
What do you mean we paid to get in?
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, she's about to blow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right.
Oh, fuck, he's coming.
away from me! Get away from me! Oh!
I've had several takes to this video, like always, and I just want to keep it short and sweet. Thank you guys so much for supporting over the years. Thank you so much for being a part of the Top Tractor Challenge series and just the progression over the years. It has grown so much from the start. It was never supposed to be anything like this, but we're done. I'm not doing it anymore, and seriously guys, thank you so much for all the support, and this would never have happened without you guys. So thank you very much. Thank yourselves, and we'll see you on the next one.